Let's explore WaffleCon's 12 best waffles. Your handsome and hungry host is back with a challenge that will satisfy your sweet tooth. WaffleCon steps up the game by using 12 different grains in their waffle dough. Get ready for oozing Nutella, mountains of whipped cream, and flavors that'll make you want to dance. Are you ready? Let's get waffling. First up, the banana Nutella waffle. Picture this, a warm, golden brown waffle. Its squares like little pockets just waiting to be filled. Add perfectly ripe banana slices, their sweetness harmonizing with the Nutella, and you've got yourself a match made in waffle heaven. Take a bite, close your eyes, and let the flavors transport you to a land of pure waffle bliss. For our next adventure, we're adding a touch of tangy sweetness with the strawberry Nutella waffle. The slight tartness of the strawberries cuts through the richness of the Nutella, creating a symphony of flavors that's both refreshing and decadent. Trust me, your taste buds and your Instagram feed will thank you for it. Now, for those of you feeling a little adventurous, let me introduce you to the brown cheese waffle. Brown cheese, also known as brunost, is a Norwegian delicacy, with a sweet and caramel-like flavor that pairs surprisingly well with the heartiness of the waffle. Trust me, once you go brown cheese, you never go back. Next, we're venturing into the wonderful world of bean flour with the bean flour waffle. Bean flour adds a unique nutty flavor and a delightful chewiness to the waffle that takes it to a whole new level. Don't knock it till you've tried it. Calling all my fellow sweet tooths, get ready for a sugar rush like no other with the condensed milk waffle. Imagine a warm, fluffy waffle drizzled with generous ribbons of sweet, creamy condensed milk. It's simple, it's sweet, and it's absolutely irresistible. Calling all chocolate lovers, prepare to have your mind blown by the chocolate crunchy waffle. Imagine biting into a warm chocolatey waffle and being met with bursts of chocolatey crunch. Need I say more? Let's take a break from the chocolate overload and dive into something a little fruitier with the apple jam waffle. This waffle is the perfect combination of sweet and tart, with the warmth of cinnamon adding a cozy touch. Imagine a warm, fluffy waffle topped with a generous spoonful of homemade apple jam, its chunks of apples bursting with flavor. It's the perfect treat for a chilly evening or a cozy weekend brunch. Get ready for a taste of summer with the strawberry jam whipped cream waffle. Imagine a warm, fluffy waffle topped with a dollop of freshly whipped cream and a generous spoonful of homemade strawberry jam. It's like a summer picnic in every bite. Prepare to indulge in pure decadence with the ganache waffle. Imagine a warm, fluffy waffle topped with a generous drizzle of smooth, velvety ganache. Go ahead, you deserve it. Who says you can't have ice cream for breakfast? The ice cream waffle is here to turn your dessert dreams into a reality. Let your creativity run wild and create your own ice cream waffle masterpiece. We've explored the sweet side of WaffleCon, but now we're switching gears and diving into the savory world of the bacon corn cheese waffle. Imagine a warm, crispy waffle topped with crispy bacon bits, sweet corn kernels, and a generous sprinkle of melted mozzarella cheese. It's the perfect balance of sweet and savory, a waffle that will surprise and delight your taste buds. And for our final act, we're ending with a bang with the ultimate WaffleCon creation, the combination pizza waffle. It's the perfect choice for a fun family dinner or a late-night snack that will satisfy your cravings. And there you have it, my fellow waffle enthusiasts. We've journeyed through the delicious world of WaffleCon, exploring 12 unique and mouth-watering waffle creations. So, what are you waiting for? Head to your nearest WaffleCon, or get creative in the kitchen and try making your own, and embark on your own waffle adventure. Until next time, stay hungry, my friends.